When you're 18, almost everyone tells you the same thing. Go to university, get a degree, and you'll be set for life. A good job, a stable income, everything figured out. And honestly, it sounds safe. It sounds like the right move. But here's the problem. That advice, it's not completely wrong. It's just not enough anymore. Because if you look around today, there are thousands of people who did everything right. They studied hard, they got the degree, and they're still stuck. Still underpaid, still confused, still trying to figure life out. So clearly, something changed. And yeah, education still matters. I'm not here to tell you drop out or anything like that. But the idea that a degree alone is going to make you rich, that's the part that's outdated. That worked years ago when fewer people had degrees, when competition was lower, when the internet didn't exist. But now, everyone has a degree, so it's no longer an advantage, it's just the baseline. And I'll be honest with you, I wasn't the perfect student. University wasn't really my path. But one thing I always did was try different ways to make money on the side. Nothing crazy at first, just small things. But over time, those small things started growing, and eventually they turned into something real. And that's what most people don't realize. It's not about choosing one path. It's not education or money. The people who are winning right now are doing both. They're learning, but they're also building. So in this video, I want to show you 7 side hustles that actually make sense right now. Not recycled ideas, not theory. Real things that real people are using to make real money. All right, let's start with something big. Short-form content. And no, you don't need to show your face. There are people right now, literally teenagers, making insane money just posting short videos. And yeah, it sounds crazy at first, but when you understand why it works, it makes perfect sense. Every platform right now is fighting for one thing: attention. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, they all want people to stay on their apps longer. And the only way they do that is through content. Your content. But here's the part most people miss. It's not about editing. It's not about having the best setup. It's about understanding what makes someone stop scrolling. That's it. Start watching content differently. Not just for fun, but like you're studying it. Every time you stop on a video, ask, why did I stop here? Was it the hook? The curiosity? The way it started? Write it down. Do that every day, and you'll start seeing patterns most people never notice. Now, this one isn't fast money, but it matters. A lot of people think investing is complicated. It's really not. At its core, you're just putting money somewhere so it can grow over time. But here's where people mess up. They rely only on investing and then wonder why they're not rich yet. Because investing is slow. It's powerful, but it's slow. The smarter move? Make money fast through skills or side hustles, and then invest that money. That's how you speed things up. This one is underrated. There are so many creators and businesses right now trying to build communities, but most of them have no idea what they're doing. And that's where you come in. If you can help them set things up, organize everything, keep people engaged, you become valuable very fast. At the start, you might have to do it for free. And yeah, I know, people don't like hearing that. But it works, because once you prove yourself, people don't want to lose you. This one is where things get interesting. And no, you don't need to be some expert. You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. That's it. Because people don't just want information anymore. Information is everywhere. They want direction. They want someone to tell them, do this, not that.
This one is huge. Whether people like it or not, AI is here, and it's only getting bigger. Right now, most people are still confused, hesitant, or ignoring it completely, which means opportunity is still wide open. Simple idea. Buy something for less, sell it for more. That's it. But the real skill is knowing what to buy, when to buy, and who to sell to. This one is powerful, because at the end of the day, everything online runs on words. Ads, videos, websites, someone has to write them. And if your words can make someone click, buy, or pay attention, you get paid. A lot. So yeah, the world changed. The old path isn't useless, but it's not enough anymore. If you really want to get ahead, don't rely on one thing. Learn, but also build. Because your future won't come from what you're told to do. It'll come from what you choose to start. And the people who are winning right now, they didn't wait. They didn't feel ready. They just started.